Welcome to my mathematics class. Our today's chapter is real numbers and exercise 1.6. Our topic is related to laws of exponents for real numbers. And therefore, I have already mentioned some important laws of exponent for real numbers. What I am going to read. Let a greater than b be real number and m and n are rational numbers, then a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. You have already got in the previous class that if the bases are the same, then power will be added by taking the same base. Number 2, a to the power m by a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n, where m is greater than n. A to the power m whole to the power n equal to a to the power mn. A to the power n into b to the power n equal to ab whole to the power n, because the powers are the same, that's why base will be multiplied. A to the power 0 equal to 1, any number to the power 0 equal to 1. A to the power n equal to 1 by a to the power minus n. Similarly, a to the power minus n equal to 1 by a to the power n. A to the power m by b to the power a to the power minus m by b to the power minus n equal to b to the power n by a to the power m. A to the power n equal to b to the power n. This implies a equal to b. If powers are equal, then bases will be the same. A to the power n equal to a to the power n. This implies a equal to n. Now let us start to solve the question. Solution number 1. Question number 1 is find 64 whole to the power 1 by 2. 64 whole to the power 1 by 2 can be written as the prime factorization of 64 whole to the power 1 by 2. The prime factorization of 64 you already know. 64 is even number and therefore 2 will be a prime factor of 64. 232, the 64 once again, 32 even number and therefore 2 must be a prime factor of 32. 16 similarly, 2 8 the 16, 2 4 the 8 and 2 2 the 4. Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 prime factors and all the prime factors are the same, and the prime factor of 64 is 2 to the power 6 whole to the power 1 by 2. 2 to the power 6 into 1 by 2 equal to 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. And here I have followed 8 to the power m whole to the power m equal to 8 to the power mn. Now number 2, 32 whole to the power 2 by 5. And the prime factor of 32 will be 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 2 by 5. 2 to the power 5 into 2 by 5. 5 cancel. 2 to the power 2 equal to 4. Number 3. 125 whole to the power 1 by 3. 5 to the power 3 whole to the power 1 by 3. Because 125 can be expressed as 5 to the power 3 in the exponential form. 5 to the power 3 into 1 by 3, 3 cancel. This is 5. Now question number 2. 9 to the power 3 by 2. 9 can be expressed as 3 to the power 2 because 3 into 3 equal to 9. 3 to the power 2 whole to the power 3 by 2. 3 to the power 2 into 3 by 2. 2 to cancel. 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3 means 27. Number 2. 32 to the power 2 by 5. And I have already explained here. 32 equal to 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 2 by 5. 2 to the power 5 into 2 by 5. This by 5 cancels and 2 to the power 2 equal to 4. 2 3 by 4. 16 means 2 to the power 4 whole to the power 3 by 4. 2 to the power 4 into 3 by 4. 4 more cancel. 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. Now I am going to show another question. Four number 125 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. This is 5 to the power 3 whole to the power minus 1 by 3. 125 means 5 into 5 into 5, that is 5 to the power 3. 5 to the power 3 into minus 1 by 3, these 3 cancel, and therefore 5 to the power minus 1. And I have already mentioned here, any number to the power minus n equal to 1 by the number to the power n, that is 5 to the power minus 1 equal to 1 by 5. Question number 3, 1, 2 to the power 2 by 3 into 2 to the power 1 by 5. I am going to follow the rule number 1, bases are equal. Here 2 and 2 are equal, therefore 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 and 2 to the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5 equal to 2 to the power, LCM of 3 and 5 is 50, 5 to the 10, 3 1 the 3, and therefore 2 to the power 13 by 50. Number 2, 1 by 3 to the power 7 whole to the power 3. We can write here 1 to the power 3 by 3 to the power 7 whole to the power 3. 1 to the power 3 means 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1, and 3 to the power 7 whole to the power 3 means 7 into 3. Here this is 1 by 3 to the power 21. This is the answer. Number 3, 11 to the power 1 by 2 by 11 to the power 1 by 4. To simplify this one, we can follow two number log and bases are the same. Therefore, we will subtract 1 by 4 from 1 by 2, and we will write here 11 to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Here 11 whole to the power, LCM of 2 and 4 equal to 4. 2 to the 4, 2 1 is 2, 4 1 is 4, 1 1 is 1. 11 to the power 1 by 4. And last question, 7 to the power 1 by 2 into 8 to the power 1 by 2. Bases are different but their powers are the same, and that's why we will use 4 number log, that is 7 into 8 whole to the power 1 by 2, 56 whole to the power 1 by 2. So these are the solutions of all questions of exercise 1.6. Today only this much. See you in the next class for the rest. Thank you.